Chewing cloves at night. Better sleep, higher testosterone. Sleep, the hidden key to hormone recovery. Let me say something that might surprise you. If your sleep is broken, no supplement, no gym session, no diet trick will fully fix you. Because sleep, especially deep, uninterrupted sleep, is when your body does its real work. It's when testosterone is produced. It's when your brain resets. It's when healing happens. And yet, so many men over 60 have quietly accepted that good sleep is a thing of the past. They lie awake at 2 a.m. They wake up 4-5 times a night. They get out of bed in the morning, not refreshed, but resentful, exhausted before the day even begins. Sound familiar? Here's the missing link. When you're not sleeping well, your testosterone doesn't stand a chance. And without testosterone, everything else unravels. Your drive, your focus, your ability to respond like you used to. That's where Clove offers a surprising benefit. The same compounds that open your blood vessels, eugenol and beta-caryophyllene, also help calm your nervous system. They ease the mind, relax the body, and prepare you for rest, not just sleep. When chewed about an hour before bed, cloves send gentle signals to your brain. You're safe now. It's time to let go. And for many men, that's exactly what happens. They fall asleep faster. They stay asleep longer. They wake up dreaming again, feeling present, focused, alive. Even more telling, they start noticing something else returning. Stronger morning erections. Not because of a trick, but because their body is finally doing what it's supposed to, restoring testosterone naturally while they sleep. This is the overlooked pillar of senior health, nighttime recovery. And once it clicks into place, everything else begins to shift faster. But believe it or not, there's another factor most men never suspect. Your oral health. Yes, your gums could be silently sabotaging your strength. Let's uncover that link next. The surprising link between gum health and erections. Now, here's something no one talks about, but every man should know. Your mouth could be hurting your performance more than you think. I've seen it again and again. A man walks into my office with low energy, weak erections, and no obvious cause. His blood pressure is fine, his labs look okay. Nothing screams problem. Until I ask him one question. How's your dental health? And that's when the truth comes out. Bleeding gums, receding gum lines, bad breath that just won't go away. Here's the part most men don't realize. Your mouth is not isolated from the rest of your body. It's a gateway to your bloodstream. And when you've got gum disease, whether you feel it or not, harmful bacteria slip into your circulation, traveling to your arteries and causing silent inflammation. Think of your blood vessels like garden hoses. Now imagine those hoses filled with sludge. No matter how strong the water pressure is, nothing flows properly. Studies show that men with advanced gum disease are up to 70% more likely to experience erectile dysfunction. That's not coincidence. That's biology. And it's one of the most overlooked parts of senior health. Now here's where Clove becomes more than just a performance tool. It becomes a daily detox. You see, clove oil is one of nature's strongest natural antiseptics. When you chew whole cloves, those antibacterial compounds get to work fast, neutralizing harmful bacteria before they ever reach your bloodstream. Some men say they feel it working after just one chew, a slight burn, a deep, clean feeling in the mouth, and within weeks, fresher breath, stronger gums, and clearer energy. Better gum health, cleaner blood, stronger circulation, better performance. It's all connected. And when your body finally has the clean signals, the calm mind, the restful sleep, and the blood flow it needs, that's when the real transformation begins. Let's talk next about what you can expect in 7, 14, and 30 days. What to expect in 7, 14, and 30 days. Here's my favorite part of this journey. Not the science, not the stats, but watching a man's face change when he starts to feel alive again. I'll never forget one patient, late 60s. He came to me looking tired, skeptical, and honestly, a little defeated. We started the Clove method together. I told him, just give it 30 days. No pressure, no hype, just consistency. Day 7, he called me. Doc, something's happening. He didn't say it was a miracle. He didn't talk about erections. He just said, I feel more awake in the mornings. That, my friend, is the beginning. Because in that first week, subtle shifts begin. A gentle warmth through the body. Clearer thoughts. Deeper sleep. A quiet motivation to move again. Walk a little, stretch, breathe. These aren't fireworks. They're whispers from a body that's starting to respond. By day 14, momentum builds. Men tell me they feel sharper. Mornings feel different. There's more energy, more presence. And yes, for many, spontaneous morning erections return. Not because of tricks, but because circulation is back online and testosterone is whispering again. By day 30, something bigger happens. You're not just noticing changes, others are. Your partner sees the shift in your energy, your confidence, your attention. You carry yourself differently, not louder, just more anchored. It's not just about performance, it's about connection, emotional presence, vitality, you. That's the power of one simple act, done daily, with intention. In the world of senior health, small, honest habits like this don't just change your body, they restore your identity. But the real question now is, once this strength returns, how do you keep it? Let me show you how to turn this tiny habit into a lifelong foundation for vitality and purpose. Final thoughts. Turning this habit into a lifestyle of strength and freedom. You know, this was never just about cloves. It was never just about blood flow or hormones or even erections. What we've really been talking about is freedom. The kind of freedom most men don't even realize they've lost, until one day they look in the mirror and don't recognize themselves. Not because of wrinkles, but because something inside feels muted. I've sat with so many good men, strong men, who quietly believed their best years were behind them, that slowing down was inevitable, that passion was something they had to let go of, that strength was just for the young. But let me tell you, that's a lie. Aging is real, but decline is not destiny. Your body remembers how to heal. It remembers how to connect, how to energize, how to love. And sometimes all it needs is a signal. Something as small as chewing a clove each night with intention, a walk around the block, a deeper breath, a better night's sleep. That's where senior health becomes something more than a checklist. It becomes a path back to yourself. Because once the blood flows, the spark follows. And once the spark returns, so does the confidence, the connection, the quiet joy of waking up and feeling like you're still in the game. So here's my invitation to you. Don't wait. Don't settle. Don't tell yourself this is just how it is now. Start with one small act. Chew the clove. Feel what happens. Listen to your body. Because once that strength wakes up, it won't just change your health. It'll change your story. If this message touched something in you, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video. Share it with someone who needs to hear it. And if you'd like to help me keep creating honest, life-changing content for men like you, consider supporting the channel below. Your body is ready. Your time is now. Let's come back to life. Together. Senior Health Secret Chew. This spice for 60 seconds to boost circulation, strength and vitality. A forgotten spice that changes everything. Let me ask you something personal. When was the last time you felt fully alive in your body? Not just awake, not just functioning, but powerful, present, connected. If you're a man over 60, maybe it's been a while. And maybe, like so many others, you've started to believe that slowing down is just part of the deal. That energy fades, that desire fades, that intimacy becomes a memory. But what if it doesn't have to? What if there was something simple, so small it could fit on your fingertip, that could begin to restore what time, stress, and routine have taken from you? I'm Dr. James, and after over 30 years helping men reclaim their strength, I've learned this. The body never forgets how to heal. It just needs the right signals. And sometimes, those signals come from the most unexpected places. This isn't some new miracle drug or high-tech device. It's a spice, clove, something your ancestors probably used long before science caught up. Yes, clove. The same spice sitting quietly in your kitchen, mostly ignored, may hold the key to better circulation, stronger erections, and lower stress. Men across cultures once chewed it before intimacy. Why? Because they knew something. We're only just beginning to validate through research today. Inside every clove is a compound called eugenol, a natural vasodilator that helps blood vessels open and relax, gently, powerfully, and without side effects. All it takes is 60 seconds of chewing to begin that process. It may sound too simple to work, but in the world of senior health, the most profound shifts often start with the smallest choices. So don't overlook what's right in front of you. That forgotten spice might just be your body's first step toward feeling alive again. Eugenol, the natural key to better blood flow. You know, sometimes it's not about adding more to your life. It's about unlocking what's already inside you. That's exactly what eugenol does. Eugenol is the powerful compound tucked inside every dried clove, and it's the reason this small spice has such a big impact on senior health. When you chew a clove, the oils carrying eugenol are released almost instantly. But here's the part most people don't realize. You don't need to swallow a pill or wait hours for it to work. Eugenol is absorbed right through the soft tissues in your mouth, entering your bloodstream within minutes. Once it's in your system, the magic begins. Eugenol acts as a vasodilator, a fancy word that simply means it helps your blood vessels relax and expand. And that's huge, especially for men over 60. Why? Because as we age, our blood vessels, especially the small sensitive ones that control circulation down there, begin to harden and lose flexibility. That stiffness slows blood flow, reduces oxygen delivery, and makes it harder for your body to respond the way it once did. But eugenol, it's like a gentle stretch for your arteries. It helps blood move freely again, not forced or artificial, just restored. Even better, eugenol naturally boosts your body's own production of nitric oxide, the same chemical those little blue pills try to mimic. Only this time, it's your body doing the work. No headaches, no crashes, no dependency. Just the return of natural function. Some men describe it as a warmth, a kind of soft energy moving through them after chewing. Not overpowering, not immediate fireworks, but a signal, like the body whispering, "I remember how to do this." And if one compound can do all that, imagine what happens when you combine it with the right timing and intention. Let's talk about when to use the clove method for the strongest results. Why erections? Get weaker after 60. And how clove fights back. Let's talk about something most men don't want to say out loud. I'm just not the same anymore. I've heard those words whispered in my office more times than I can count, from men in their 60s, 70s, even 80s. Strong men, wise men, men who've built families, careers, and lives. And still, when their body doesn't respond the way it used to, it shakes something deeper than physical ability. But here's the truth I always share. It's not your fault. It's not weakness. It's biology. And it's reversible. You see, as we age, our small blood vessels, the ones responsible for healthy erections, start to narrow. They stiffen. Years of processed foods, stress, and inflammation wear down the flexibility that once came naturally. Blood doesn't flow like it used to, and without that pressure, nothing really happens down there. But here's the part most doctors skip. This isn't permanent damage. Your body can recover, and that's where clove steps in. We already talked about eugenol, the powerful compound inside each clove. It doesn't just relax your blood vessels, it helps restore them. Think of it like clearing out an old pipe. The more you clean, the easier it is for water, or in this case, blood, to flow. Some of my patients report that after just a couple of weeks using this method daily, they wake up with something they haven't felt in years. A spontaneous morning erection. Not because of a pill, not because of luck, but because their circulation finally had a chance to return. That's what real senior health looks like. It's not about turning back the clock. It's about giving your body permission to work again, naturally, without force. But even with perfect blood flow, there's still one thing that can shut everything down: chronic stress. And it's probably been quietly sabotaging you for decades. Let's talk about that next. The silent saboteur. How stress destroys testosterone, and how Clove fights back. Now, we've talked about blood flow. We've talked about how Clove opens those vessels and restores the pathways that keep you feeling strong. But even perfect circulation won't help you if stress is quietly shutting everything down behind the scenes. Let me explain. I've met so many men, disciplined, active, doing everything right, but still feeling flat, tired, disconnected. And when we sit down and dig deeper, one word always comes up: stress. It's not always dramatic. Sometimes it's subtle: finances, relationships, aging parents, health concerns. But it adds up. And over time, that constant low-level pressure triggers a hormonal war inside your body. Here's what most people don't know. When cortisol, your stress hormone, stays high, your testosterone drops. They're like a seesaw. One goes up, the other goes down. And when testosterone falls, so does your energy, your drive, your ability to show up the way you want to. This is why senior health isn't just about the body, it's about the mind too. But here's where Clove becomes more than just a circulation booster. It turns into a stress regulator. Clove contains a lesser-known but powerful compound called beta-caryophyllin. This natural agent binds to receptors in your brain that signal safety, that deep internal feeling of calm your nervous system has been craving. Not drowsy, not numb, just at ease. Many men tell me that within minutes of chewing, they feel a release in their chest, a loosening of the invisible weight they've been carrying for years. That's beta-caryophyllin at work, helping your body lower cortisol naturally so testosterone can begin to rise again. And as that stress melts away, something else begins to improve: your sleep. And that, my friend, is where real recovery begins. Let's talk about how Clove helps you reclaim your nights and rebuild your strength while you sleep.